That's not that bright. Nope. Upgraded! Welcome back, everybody. My name is Andrew, and this is Kite Army. So by now, you've probably seen these adjustable high-intensity LED garage lights. They're available at places like Home Depot, Amazon. They're all over the place, and the reason why is because they actually work. Check this place out. It is bright in here. Normally, it's like a dark cave. Anyway, I had this idea. Surprising. I had an idea. I wonder if I could connect some of those lights to my garage door opener. Something like that. See? I did it. And the reason why I wanted to do that is because when I come home at night, I want the garage to be lit up. I want to see what I'm doing. I also want to be able to work in the garage, and it gives me a lot of light. Anyway, it turns out those bulbs that plug right into a regular fixture will not go into most garage door openers, so you need to kind of make some modifications. It's really simple, don't worry. I'll have the parts that I use listed right down below, and I'll walk you through the whole process. Anyway, so why don't we just jump into this and get this place lit up? All right, to complete this project, you only need 3 things. There they are, 3 things. Let's start with the easiest to find first, and that's a medium-size zip tie. Next, you're going to need one of these. This is a high-intensity garage LED light. You can see it's got the standard B26, which is a standard light fixture adapter on the side. This happens to be 120 watts. It's one of the brightest lights available. Link down below if you want to find this guy. Now, the real secret to this project is right here. This is a flexible gooseneck light extension. You can see it's got the standard B26 adapter on that side, and it's got the female end on that side. I'm back. The idea is that these guys can go together like this, you know, live in perfect harmony, connect up like that, and then you've got an extension for your light, and that's sort of like the giveaway of what we're doing here. Some of you already figured this out. All right, guys, time to roll up the sleeves. We got to get some work done. The first thing we want to do is remove this lens from the garage door opener right here that covers up the light bulbs. This is a Genie, and on this particular model, you have to push up here on the plastic, and that will release the attachment there that holds it up, and there are the light bulbs. Now, if you have a different brand, it's going to be the same concept. You're probably going to have to squeeze somewhere to release that lens. Now, once you get to this point, remove the bulbs. Now, I'd suggest doing this with the power off. I have it on just for demonstration. You should probably turn it off. So unscrew that bulb. So now it's time for the extension. What you're going to do is you want to straighten it out perfectly straight like this so you can spin it. Then you want to put it into the socket up there and kind of just spin it with the one end. You can see what I'm doing. Let me see if I can do this. Until it's nice and tight in there like a regular light bulb would fit. At that point, what you're going to want to do is fold it back. On this particular model, I'm going to go through the top here like this and just gently weave it through there like that. Now, on this garage door, I'm going to pin it to the side of this metal frame right here. Zippy time. Grab your zip tie. Find a good location to secure that extension. I've got these braces right here. I'm going to put it on there like that and tighten it down. That way, the weight of the bulb is on that zip tie and not on, like it's not pulling up here. You know me, I'm a perfectionist. All right, so you're kind of done there. Let's close up the lens cover. Make sure it's in there properly. These things are all hokey. So here's the moment you've been waiting for. Get your adjustable LED light and screw it right there into the socket. Now wait for it. Here we go. Come on, show me the money. There it is, guys. That's not bright, right? You can see me now. I'm perfectly fine. See how can you see through my head yet? Okay, so there it is. Installed, operational, 5 minutes, guys. All right, guys, so now we've got our light installed there. Let's walk around so you can see what it looks like. The other thing you can keep in mind is these fins can be adjusted so you can push light into different parts of your garage. Generally, I keep my fins up like that. So I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Andrew, how can we ever repay you for making this video? Well, it's simple. Just crush that like button. Just smash it, crush it, destroy it. And once you're done with that, there's a video that's right over there that you're gonna wanna check out. In that video, I actually extend the range of this garage door opener by 500 feet using parts I had around the house. So guys, I will see you over there. Let's go.